C5 time here at Unique, especially in classics. Not gonna lie, I'd consider parking this one in my garage, no doubt about that. So one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, just a little over 15,000 on this one. It's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th anniversary convertible, and it is a beauty. Of course, an anniversary red, shale interior and top. 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood. Let's take a look at this front nose cone. You can see it's not full of nicks, chips, dings, anything like that. Paint has a nice shine to it. There's a couple little tiny, and I mean I'm being fussy, little spots on the headlights I noticed where there's just a couple little spots previous owner just touched up. And you can hardly see them. You know, if I can get them to show up on there, but that's being awful fussy. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. All right, as far as the wheels, it's riding on the correct anniversary wheels. And we do have these Michelin radials that have been installed in the car. Other tires replaced probably due to age. And as far as the date code on these, 25th week of 1924. So these tires practically like new. And again, just a little over 15,000 miles is all in this one. Some nice, tasteful additions have been done to this car, and I'm going to get into that in just a little bit. All right, up and down this passenger side, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Shale leather interior, bucket seats. Automatic with overdrive transmission, and it does have the selective ride. You have your touring and your sport. Electronic dual climate control. AM, FM, CD player. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Speaking of which, this does have Corsa exhaust on it. Has been added, again, tasteful modification. This car sounds great. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Couple things that are going to go with this car. It has an extra set of the Shale 50th anniversary floor mats. It also has a car cover that's in the trunk. A couple 50th anniversary Corvette baseball caps. Those are in the trunk. You'll be able to see them in the still pictures. And again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. By the way, matching Michelins all the way around, all four corners. And take a look in the still pictures. There'll be a close-up of each of those wheels. There's no curb rash, anything like that on the wheels. The wheels are in very nice shape. And again, you can see paint shows well with this one, has a nice shine. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right up our showroom floor if you make see us in person. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it see this one yourself. It's not a problem. Third-party inspectors welcome on this car. Yeah, probably be wasting your money and your time, but look through the still pictures, watch this video, make your decision. All right, door panels, beautiful shape. Of course, Bose stereo system, power windows, power locks, memory seating. You have power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see there's just little to anywhere on that driver's seat at all. Embroidered 50th anniversary in the headrest. Floor mats, and those are 50th anniversary floor mats also. Like I said, there's an extra set that goes with it. Heads-up display. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So, electronic dual climate control. Mentioned that earlier. Dash, everything looking good. I want to get the exact miles for you here. Oil pressure. Let's get the trip. There's the miles, 15,043. As you can see, gauge is all working. No warning indicator lights, anything like that. Now, you can hear, we got the Corsa exhaust. Again, great sounding car. A little bit of rumble coming out of that Corsa exhaust and the 5.7 liter LS engine. Headlights, no clicking of the gears, anything like that. Headlights working fine. Power antenna working. And let's listen. Sounds good. All right, underneath the hood, a couple tasteful modifications up here too. Real quick, hood liner nice and clean. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in climate weather. Now we have a painted to match, I guess kind of valve cover if you will. Looks great. That anniversary red also. The 50th anniversary logo on the carbon fiber air intake, and then we have an SLP Blackwing cold air intake with the filter. Over here on the passenger side, Optima yellow top, battery. And I wanted to point out there is a little star right here in the windshield that has been filled in. So it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going to star out. That has been filled in. It's very smooth on the top of it. It's no sharp edges, anything like that. So rather than replace the windshield, that's the way I would have done it too. All right, real quick, I'm going to show you this convertible top and how it folds up and how simple that is. And then stick around to the very end. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top folded up. As you can see, simple for one person to do. Nice tight fit above the windshield. It's in the condition you'd expect on a low mile car. Side glass or side window rolled up also, nice fit there. There's really not much for any wear on this top at all. Glass rear window, rear to fog. Around to the passenger side. Again, really not much wear at all, if any. Especially no rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Really no major discoloration. Nice shape, what you'd expect. And I will show you it folding back up and how to put it back into the compartment underneath the tonneau cover. Very simple going back down into the car also. There you go, clean Carfax, one owner. 2003 50th anniversary Corvette convertible, just a little over 15,000 miles on it is all. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Stick around to the very end of this video after I fold up the top and you see it going back down into the car. Jason will take this car for a drive too, take it for a little ride, virtual ride so to speak. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible. We do have to top up today. This car's showing some low miles. It definitely feels like it. This is, you know, if you want a brand new 2003 Corvette, about as close as you can get. And being a convertible in these great colors for 50th anniversary, just a bonus. Now, I took it easy on the throttle there, and we accelerated quickly and very comfortably. We have a oil pressure gauge showing 50 psi, temperature 180 to 190. Battery gauge charging over 14 volts, and the fuel tank is about 3/4 on the gauge. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. This is an automatic on the center console, so anybody can drive it. Just put your foot down, do a little steering, of course. Stereo sounds great. Cruise control works. Nice quiet ride, even on a cold winter day in Minnesota. Not much for wind noise. The brakes work very well. Smooth braking. These Corvettes, honestly, probably the best bang for your buck in performance. Just my opinion. Corners very well. Corners as a Corvette should. And again, accelerates very well. Comfortable leather bucket seats. I'm not seeing an issue really anywhere. It's a very well maintained low mile Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.